ॐ सहना भवतु।
ॐ सहना भवतु
सहनौ भुनक्तु
सहनौ भुनक्तु
सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै
सह वीर्यं करवावहै
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै।
तेजस्विनावधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
शशिवर्णै चतुर्भुजं
शशिवर्णचतुर्भुजं
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं
वरदे कामरूपिणी
वरदे कामरूपिणी
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा
येनाक्षरः समाम्नायम्
येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम्
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्
कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम्
कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम्
पाणिनिये नमः
तस्मै पाणिनये नमः।
अकूहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकूहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचूयशानां तालु
इचूयशानां तालु
ऋटूरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटूरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्त्याः
ऋतुलसानां दन्त्याः
उपध्मानीयानाम् औष्ठौ
उपध्मानीयानौष्ठौ
न्यमगणनानां नासिकाञ्च
यमगणनानां
एदैतौ कण्ठतालु
दयितौ कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तौ कण्ठोष्टम्
ओदौ तौ कण्ठ औष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तौष्ठम्
जिह्वामूले यस्य जिह्वामूलम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
ऐ उन्
युन्
ऋक्
ऋक्
एओङ्
एवोङ्
ऐ औच
औच
अयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण् न्यमगणनम् भञ्ज
झभञ्ज
घढधश अबगडदश
जबगडदश
खफ छठथ चटतौ
चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल् माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि इति
माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
Last time we have completed last week Panchami, and I think we have completed Saptami also. Let's see. Because I know Patre Samitaha, we have seen in the seventh, Patre, seventh case. And at that time, suddenly Wi-Fi has gone and we have completed before 10 minutes. So they have given here the irregular locative compound, the word like Patre Samita, discompanion, Arthat Purusha, when contemplate is implied. So Patre Samitaha remain Patre only. Udara Krumihi, Udare Krumihi. So I think here Patra Samitaha should be, or Patre remain as it is. Udara Krumihi, Udare Krumihi, Kupa Kachapaha, Kupa, well, Kachapaha, turtle or tortoise. Kupe Kachapaha, Pitari Shuraha. So actually it is a Pitari Shuraha. Pitari, so is one with one. So Pitari, a hero against his father. I think this much we have seen. Now today we have to sing Chaturthi Tatpurusha Samasa, fourth, 4 TP. So 4th TP is not much. A noun in the dative denoting the purpose can form a Tatpurusha Samasa with the following words. So they have given some words. And Artha, Bali, Artha means reason or thing, Bali means offering oblation, Hita, benefit or good, Sukha, prosperity, happiness, Rakshita is protected. So Bhuta Bali, so Bhutaya Bali, so here Bhutaya or Bhutebhya. So here what is missing is Bhya. So there is oblation for the sake of being. Same way Janahitam, we know Janaya Hitam, for the sake, for the benefit of the people, go hitam, gave hitam. So good for the cow. Go rakshitam, gave rakshitam, balartham, for the sake of children. So balaya artham, balartham. Second note also, they have given again a noun in the dative can form Tatpurush Samasa with another noun, denoting the material out of which the thing is made. So suppose there is a word Yupadaruhu. Yup is a one type of pole where the animal or something which we offer, they tie in sacrifice or some yaga rituals. So Yupaya Daruhu. Daru means wood. So Yupaya Daru, a wood for the sacrificial post in the ritual. Asana Daruhu, a wood which is used for to prepare a asana. A wood for the sit, asanaya daruhu. Ghatamruda, a clay to prepare a pot. So ghataya mrut, a clay for the pot. Note 3, another usage, kshuddha piditaha, dharma niyamaha. Kshuddha piditaha means kshuddhayaha. Actually kshuddha. So Kshudhaya Piditaha, one is more, actually it should be Kshudhaya Yaksitaya. Kshudhaya Piditaha. So afflicted because of the hunger, for the hunger. Dharma Niyamaha, Dharmaya Niyamaha. A restriction for the sake of Dharma. And now this is fourth is over. It is the Aluk Samasa, which is something is known to us. This one. Not for Chaturthya Aluk. So this fourth vibhakti isn't elided. So the dative case affixed after the words Atman par is not elided in a compound word. So there is very famous Atmanepadam in Sanskrit grammar. So Atmanepadam, Atmane Padam. Here the Atman is a pronoun for, so the meaning is they have not given, but the word or the ones, padam means word, atmanep is oneself. So whatever we do for oneself, at that time we have to use atmanepadam verb, parasmay padam for others' sake. So parasmay padam, parasmay padam. Here parasmay, so they have given something superior, but parasmay for other also. So word, so whichever verb we are using for other people or anything, it's called parasmay. Atmane bhasha. Atmane bhasha, the root or the agent himself. It is there, okay, but Atmane bhasha means language for oneself. Atmane bhasha. So I think here it is over. This is a fourth, not much in. Even second Tat Purusha is not much. So they have given Vitiya Tat Purushaha, we can call as a 2 TP, but not much usage. So they were again also some words. So a noun in the accusative can form a samas which the following with the following participles like Shrita, Atita, Patita, Gata, Atyasta, Prapta, Apanna, Gami, Bubhukshu, etc. So Krishna Shritah, Krishnam Shritah, resorting to own Krishna is Krishna Shritah. Gramagatah, Gramam Gatah. Papanubandha, Papam Anubandha. When we are preparing a compound noun, at that time this ma will elided and then sandhi rule will be applicable. That's why Papanubandha. Dukkha Dukkhatitah, Dukkham Atitah. So Papanubandha means connecting to the scene, Papa. Dukkham Atitaha means beyond, crossing over the sorrow. Naraka Patitaha. We can say Narake Patitaha also. Because they just fall in the Naraka. But they have put up Narakam Patitaha. Yes, is a falling into the lower world. Tarangyatyastah. So actually Atyastah. The meaning of Atyastah means beyond. Tarangam Atyastah. Beyond the wave actually. So they have beyond the river.
Meaning.
The Atyastah means
The
thrown.
meaning is not clear. Yeah.
So Tarangam, actually the meaning, it should not be here river. It should be wave.
Wave.
Yeah, Tarangam is wave. So yeah.
The meaning it says is wave, ocean, river, all three for Tarangam.
So yeah, but
They mentioned it.
so yeah, Tarangam is below ocean river. No. Generally, you want to see. Let's we see Tarangam. Yeah. Tarangam. Tarangam, we have to like this only. Taranga. Taranga, Taranga, Tarangam.
Taranga is there.
Apte is. So they have given, so here I cannot use, but they have given a section or part or a work.
So
Taranga.
like we say Tarayati, right, Swamiji, to swim across.
Yeah.
Right?
So, maybe,
Taranga.
Taranga, maybe, yeah.
So it could be any body of water.
Yeah. I would to use this. They leap, jump, gallop, jumping, motion, clothes, or waving, moving, and many things. But wave is the main.
Tarangam is wave only, it looks like.
Yeah, it's wave probably.
Wave only, it is given wave, but there are many. So when we go through any poem or something, big kavya, so they have used many things. Tarangam. But
Ma, 1 minute. Naraka Patitaha
Naraka,
falling in the lower world, so it can be 7th TP or
yeah, that's
second.
why I said no, we can use as a 7 TP also. Narake Pati. Yeah.
Narake.
Then it will be 7-1. But sometimes they use, sometimes, even 4 is a 4th TP and sometimes 6 TP. Sometimes, even in Bhashyam also it comes.
So they write in the Bhashyam, which one in Sankalpa?
Sometime what will come, I will show you. Right now, I do not remember.
Okay.
Then, Anna bubhukshuhu. So annam bubhukshuhu. So desires of eating food. Again, this is sanpatti, desiderative. It's called bubhukshu, like jignasu, mumukshu. San pratyaya is added. Bubhukshuhu. Same, guru shushushuhu. Gurum shushushuhu. A desire of hearing the teacher. Even we can say not only shrotrum, no, shrotum ichuhu. And sometimes there is sushrusha, desires of do seva also. Both are. Shrotum ichuhu or sevam kartum ichuhu. Susha. Grama gami. Gami means intended. Gramam gami. So intending to go to the village. Or gram. So there are very rare usage here everywhere.
Swaminiji, 7 TP is the most commonly used, isn't it?
7 TP, 6 TP, commonly.
Shashti is the first, according to the notes.
Yeah, Sashti first,
Ah,
7th, even 3rd also. Sometimes it's commonly usage, but this is 2nd TP is very rare. Some word along with some word, suppose again they have given prapta and apanna are optionally placed the first. Yeah. So prapta jivikaha or jivika praptaha. Apanna jivikaha. So we can use in both sides. So prapta jivikaha or jivika praptaha meaning is the same. Jivikam praptaha. One who has obtained a sustenance, sustenance, not the,
subsistence. Yeah.
yeah, subsistence. Same way,
So anyone who is employed, we can say prapta jivika.
Hmm.
Something like that.
only. Jivika, yeah, sustenance. No, actually, I would like to sustain my life. So this is subsistence.
Yeah.
Same way, apannaha and praptaha, meaning is the same. So apanna jivikaha, jivika apanna, same jivikam apannaha, one who has obtained a subsistence. Again, note 3 for second, the word denoting time of duration in the sense of complete connection throughout with the time being the accusative or optionally can form a samasa with participle and nouns. So there is a varsha yagnaha. So varsham yagnaha.
Yeah.
So the yaga will continue for 1 year. So a sacrifice lasting for 1 year. Varsham yagnaha. Muhrut sukham. Muhrutam sukham. So there is a 2 word they have used. I would like to show. I have already Muhurut here, who is dirgha and double takara. The meaning are division of time. Muhurt. One is muhurt only. So it is a masculine neuter, but meaning is moment, instant. So here they have used first is muhurut. So is a momentary. So muhurutam sukham, a momentary happiness, like in all worldly. Sarvaratra Shobhana. So Sarvaratram Shobhana. Shobhana actually it is a beauty, but this is auspicious, lasting for whole night. So Sarvaratram means whole night. Shobhana they have put is auspicious. The word fourth, the word denoting time being in the accusative case are optionally compounded with a word of ending with ta, means past passive participle. So they have given masa pramitaha chandrama. So chandramaha moon, masam pramitaha. Pramita is measured actually, but they say that about which the sense of the month is known is the moon. But really speaking, Chandrama is the moon, masam pramitaha. Sometime we measured the shape keep on changing. It is called masa pramitaha Chandrama. It never remains the same. It starts from new moon up to the full moon, masa pramitaha. Ahas sankrantaha muhurtaha. This is again different type of muhurta. The meaning is a division of time. So ahaha sankrantaha muhurtaha, the division of time. So they have given passing away a day away or coming a day together or a moments. So sankrantaha actually is a crossing, no? Is a sankrant. We say Makar Sankrant entering in Mesha, sun is entering. It's called sankrantaha. So ahaha sankrantaha. So muhurta is equal to ahaha sankrantaha. So this is the adjective of muhurtaha. So division of time is adjective is ahaha, ahas sankrantaha. Ahaha means day and sankrantaha is entering. So this a division of time is nothing but is entering in the day. It's called muhurtaha sankrantaha. So first time I have seen this word muhurt. This is first time. Muhurt that we have seen. Now this one is over. Now generally suppose what we are doing just now what we are doing. So suppose Raj Purushaha. This Purushaha is also noun and Raja is also noun. But now what we will see is Tat Purusha, for which Purva Pada is the Avyaya. So here Raj is a noun, but now in this it is indeclinable, Avyaya. So they have given some name, Avyaya, so not one. Avyaya word is Swayam. So they have given Swayam Dhotau Padau. So if we split this samasa Swayam Dhotau Padau, one who has washed feet for oneself, they never use anyone, please wash my feet. So self-washed feet. So until now, I think there is a dhav means dhavati run, but to run, another meaning is wash also, cleanse also. And ta, dhauta. So they have given how just for my. So dhav plus ta and one more ut suffix is added. That's why dhauta. Generally dhavita, but they have put dhauta. And swayam bhuktam. Swayam bhuktam remains swayam bhuktam. Self-eaten. Nobody has feed swayam bhuktam. Another avyaya is called sami. The meaning is half. Is compounded with the another word ending with ta, means past passive participle. Sami krutam. If we sami krutam, because avyaya there is a no change, remain as it is. Sami krutam means krutam means done. Sami means half done. Same way sami bhuktam, half eaten. Sami pitam, half drunk. This word we know ishat. The ishat is little. is compounded with the noun which end with ta, means again kruta affix means krudanta. So Ishat Kadaraha, this translation is somewhere is not proper. Ishat means little, that we know. Kadaraha, the meaning is one is servant and one other is tawny. Tawny means that color, orange color. Light orange color that I have checked, it's called tawny. So what is the meaning of Ishat Kadaraha? We can't say little servant, but we can say little tawny color. This is almost little, compare with orange. It's called Ishat Kadaraha.
Light orange.
Yeah.
Light orange.
Light orange something, little orange, light orange. Ishat Unnataha. So little raised. It is called Ishat Unnataha. Figuratively eminent. So here also that is over. And this is useful to us. And it is
Swamiji, the previous one, sorry.
yeah. Yes.
Swamiji,
Which
in the Muhurt portion, previous note, that is B116, in one place it is Muhurtam, Sukham and all that. There it is no, they haven't put the extra ta. Whereas down when we did the other one, Ahas Sankrantaha Muhurta, that is half ta and full ta.
You know.
So,
There are two names.
so both are used, can be
Yeah,
used.
both are
One
used,
is-
no, but both meaning
Okay.
is totally different, no? Muhurta, double the is a division of time. In Muhurta,
Time, and
is
here
a
it is
moment, an instant.
Muhurt.
Muhurta. We used to say Muhurta is no auspicious. Give me good Muhurta.
Auspicious.
Yeah,
Muhurta.
time you give, yeah, Muhurtam. But in this, they have given the moment and instant.
Instant.
True, yeah.
Swaminiji, the Avyaya,
Uh-huh.
can you explain the Avyaya part? Because these are not any Vibhakti or anything, they're just
Yeah,
like Sami or
yeah. But so avyaya means avyaya which cannot be declined, no drama, Rama, Rama. So Sami remain as Sami is a name only. Avyaya. Meaning of Sami is half. So if we say, yeah, so I have done half something to Sami Krutam. Only just nothing, no, nothing we can't say. So only they have
So
given.
those samasas are easy to
Yeah.
break up.
Yeah, very easy, yeah. Whatever we have to put same as it is. No adding because avyaya, no? That's why.
Ma, when we say in Gujarati which Muhurt or something, then which one it is, means half the or without
This one, second one, I think.
second one. Okay.
You mean Muhurta. Muhurta. We never say Muhurta. We never say Muhurta. Double ta we never speak, no? First
Never say.
time, yeah, but first time, but it is given in Apte everywhere. This both.
I was thinking it's the first one, not the like marriage muhurtam.
Maybe it is, but we never use Muhurta. Maybe we are not pronouncing properly, but it is time. Maybe.
Because in Tamil, when we write it, it is
We
like
say-
ta, like ta, you
Yes.
know. Muhurtam.
Yeah, it's like Muhurtam. There's an emphasis there. Yeah.
In Gujarat, say Muhurta. Give Muhurta.
Muhuru or Muhur?
Always Gujarati, something is delighting. Delighting. Rama, Ram, like this. So maybe Murutta, maybe, yeah. So now, this is it's some important portion. Upapada Tatpurusha Samasa. Or it's called Upapada Samasa. So the meaning, this is all Panini, but here we can say, generally again, we used to say, again, Dasharatha Putra or Ragna Purushaha. So this is two name. But here, what will come, suppose we say gnaha. You know what is the meaning of gnaha? Is equal to janati.
Yeah.
So when we say sarvagnaha, Ishvara, sarvam janati.
Janati.
So whenever this type of word will come, it is called upapada. Like one we are talking khagaha. So in previous we have in the beginning of our so khe gacchati. So khagaha is upapada tatpurusha. So now it will be explained here. In the formation of a upapada tatpurusha, the pradhana pada, so this is pradhana, always second word is always pradhana in tatpurusha. Purusha is pradhana, ragna purusha. So it is a primary pada and is the uttara. So it is the uttara means second, last. And gauna pada is purva pada. This is purva pada. And this purva pada here is called as a upapada. This is called upapada. So this is called upapada. And the prefixed word with reference to pradhana pada. So now they will say, in the upapada tat purusha, the pradhana pada, the word is derived from a root with krut affixa. That krudanta we have not yet seen. So krut affix condition that some gona pada be attached to it. So what is krut? I will show. So in the Vigraha Vakya of Upapada Tatpurusha Samasa, Pradhana Pada, the second word is expressed by the finite word, Tinanta, means verb, like here they have put Shastra. Here it is Shastra, Sra is meaning, Shastra Gnaha. So Saha Shastram Janati. Shastragnaha, Sarvagnaha. This is called Upapada. So again they have explained Upapada for Dvitiya. The Gauna Pada, secondary imported Pada, this is Gauna Pada, often karma of Pradhana Pada. So suppose Shastragna. So Gna means Janati, but we ask what? Whatever answer will come is always in second case, no? Karma, I know. So he knows scriptures. So that's why he says karma of pradhana pada. Gacchati, again we ask, what gacchati? Who is going? He says, bird is going. So this says, Shastra is a gauna pada, pradhana is gnaha. So gna, to know, and then ka is added, it becomes gnaha. So Shastram, you are missing Uvarstra. Shastram janati shastragnaha. Same way, same thing. Upapada tatpurusha for another than dvitiya. This will come in seventh case. The upapada tatpurusha is also seen with other case relation other than dvitiya. This is shastragnaha is in second, means accusative. Now they say khagaha, what we are discussing. Khagaha khe gacchati. One who moves in the space, sky. One who goes in the sky is the bird. So kha is a name, one word, only one syllable. So it is a gauna pada, pradhana padaha is gam. With kakara is become only ga. Khe gacchati khagaha. Now
This is in seventh case.
yeah, it
Swamiji.
is. Yeah, this is 7K. Like Rame. Khaha, only khaha is a word.
Yeah.
Aha.
Case, yeah, only kha.
If it is uragaha, it will not be
Ure
seventh case.
gachati, same. Uragah, ure gachati.
Urasa.
Uras, now urasa is a with, is a third case.
Third
But
case.
when you say uraga yeah, uragah.
Then by the chest it is moving, no snake.
Yeah, always, yeah. That's why ure
Ure
gachati.
gachati or urasa gachati. If you say urasa, then
With the help of, yeah, urasa,
with
then.
the help of
Yeah.
chest.
But
There will
with
be a fourth case or third case.
you can't say, with the help of, it never use actually tummy.
By.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But uragah. Good.
I think I heard Puja Swamiji say urasa gachati.
Urasa gachati. Yeah,
I don't know.
yeah, but really speaking, just it is a movement, but we can say with the help of tummy. They are not using they have no feet, no? So urasa gachati.
Yeah. By. The sense of third case.
In the sense of third case. But here they have not
So
given.
that will not come. Yeah.
Let's see, but it's not given. Just
Ure-
wait.
ure-
Ure?
Does it come in
Ure is
Vishnu
correct.
Sahasranama, this Uraga?
Uraga, maybe, yeah, Uraga. No, Uraga, no, Varadaha coming. Varam dadati,
Mahoraga.
Mahoragaha. Mahodadaha. Mahodadi. There is one name Varadaha. Ishvaraha.
Varam dadati.
Varam dadati. So again it is in second case. He is giving what?
Even this is a Tatpurush, means Samas.
Yeah, it is Upapada Tat Purusha Samasa. Upapada. It is called Upapada. Here also Upapada. Everywhere is Upapada. So Varadaha. Many. Even Ishvara's another name is, suppose we say na Sarvagnaha, even it will come in another, but Agnaha. Na janati.
Yeah. Agnya.
Yeah, but it will come in another Tatpurusha. Negative.
So, Swaminiji, Upapadam means for the pada is, the
So
pradhana pada is a kridanta pada.
so second case is Krudanta. So Gnaha, Gaha is called Krudanta.
Okay.
Oh,
And the gauna pada
is
is
first
the noun. Kriya pada.
Kriya. No. Second.
Sorry, karma pada. Karma pada. Karma.
So they have
So
not.
it will come only for second
But
case.
they have not given Upapada. So they said the word in virtue of this Kruta affix added to the root is called Upapada only. Here. Krut affix is added root. So Krut affix is added to the root is called Upapada. So this is no Daha, Gaha. Then this is called Upapada. It's called Upapada. That's why they said the Krut affix, they have added Ka. So suppose Gam, no, this is Dadati. So it's a Da because of the remain only Daha. Same way Gachati, Gam. Ka, Krut affixa becomes Gaha.
So only Dvitiya and Saptami can come or any other case can also.
No, but the case won't come, but another thing will come now. There are many examples. Suppose now they have given more example Upapada Tat Purusha Samasa. First is Krut affix is called Arna, added after a verbal root when the object is in the composition with it as an Upapada. So suppose Kumbhakaraha, a pot maker, Kumbharaha. Kumbham karoti iti kumbhakarah. We can Bhagavan Bhashyakarah, we used to say. So Bhashyam karoti. So one who prepares. Same way Sutrakarah, Malakarah, Nagarakaraha. And then Kandalavaha. There is a lavaha means lunati, something to cut. So, and Kandam is a branch. So Kandam lunati iti Kandalavaha. Vedadhyayaha. That it is very common. Vedam adhiti. Iti. Someone who studies Veda. So whenever this type of karaha, lavaha will come, it is called Upapada Purusha.
Ramaniji, this, I always get confused. Like this, you say Bhashyakara, Kumbhakara, like that. But Sakshatkara is different, right? Sakshatkara.
Sakshat.
You don't make Sakshat, or you don't.
No, it is Sakshatam Karoti. Sakshatam Karoti. Sakshatam Karoti.
Oh.
Oh,
What
so
is
you can say
Sakshatam?
that Sakshatkara like
It
that?
is immediate, no? What is the meaning?
Immediate knowledge.
Yeah, immediate.
Yeah.
Paroksham.
Aparoksham, yeah. Sakshatam is aparoksham.
Aparoksham.
One who is,
Sakshatkara.
yeah, it's called Sakshatkara. So one who has immediate knowledge is called Sakshatkara. People
Can I ask one question?
Sakshatkara Ishwarasya also, they use Sakshatkara.
Hello, Ma. Can I ask one question?
Yeah.
The Sakshatkaraha, it is giving a verb sense, but these all are like noun. They are the first case, right?
No. Kumbhakara is noun only.
Bhashyakaraha.
Is a noun.
But Sakshatkara is not noun, it is verb. I mean, somewhat it is verb, no? I mean, related to verb. It is not noun. We cannot make it noun, right?
I did Sakshatkara. So what we consider is a verb or noun?
It's noun.
I
Is
did.
that is
In that sense, I'm
Sakshatam
saying
a
that it
word?
will not be like in this one, like
It's not like a
Bhashyakaraha.
yeah.
No, that Visarga we cannot add. That is what I'm asking. We cannot
Yeah,
do
yeah,
Visarga, right?
it's true. Yeah, correct. Yeah, correct.
Abstract
Can
noun.
you say that again, Swamiji? Sorry, I didn't understand.
So she has asked us, this Sakshatkaraha is not look like a word, but it look like a verb. Kumbhakara is clearly we can say is a Bhashyakara. So Bhagavan Bhashyakara. But we can't say Sakshatkara is a word. It look like a verb, even not like a verb. We sometimes we say we did Sakshatkara. So we don't know in which category we can put, actually, really speaking. Because Sakshatkara is not a word, no? It is nothing doing. Sakshat karoti. Sakshatam karoti, something.
See, Swaminiji, is Sakshatam a word? Because like Kumbham is a word, Bhashyam is a word. So, but Sakshatam I don't think is a word, no?
Yeah, Sakshat. Let me say it is word is there or not in our must be Sakshat must be there.
Sakshat.
In presence, like something must be when the person is present.
One more.
Someone's presence.
Like a existence or awareness. Is that kind of?
No, I don't think I've come across that word.
Sakshat.
No.
Sakshat. Let's see, Sakshatam. Something has come. Apte, Sakshat.
Sakshat.
Sakshatam is there, yes.
Sakshat is indeclinable.
Yeah, indeclinable.
Yeah,
So you can't have Sakshatam.
before, in presence, inside, actually in.
Yeah, the four makes sense. Evidently, manifestly, directly.
Yeah. Saha akshati.
His eyes.
Sakshat. So,
With eyes, like what we can see with our eyes.
yeah.
So I see. So you see it with your
Along with
inner
your
eyes.
eye, yeah. The sakshat. So some we say Ishwar darshan sakshat karoti. So with the naked eye, if we have darshan, is called Sakshat.
Okay.
Samaksa gem. Samaks is a
Same thing.
Hmm?
Like samaksa, we use now samaksa word.
Samaksham. Yeah, in the front of our.
Something is in front of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now, they say now, third is Akrut affix called quip is also called a zero affix. You know, in Upanishad also, actually in Upanishad, there is
Pratyaya.
pa, then ni, these all are the prefix, and shad is
Sat.
really is a verb. Then quip is added, but quip never change. It remains as it is. Shad remain as it is, but it gives the meaning and then it disappeared. That's why it's called zero affix. So after
Deleted.
the role and the
Sad is the root, right?
yeah, sad is the root.
Sad, sad.
Shad, shad,
Then it becomes shad.
shad. This is shat is
Sad.
different. Yeah, it is siddhati. Shad is different. Shat is different. So
Okay.
quip is
Here it is
added,
Siddhati.
yeah. So shad is added to sad. This quip is added to su. Quip is added to dvish. Quip is added to dra. So sad is to sit. That shad is visharanam. What we are know, no visharam, avasadanam, and kamayati.
Gati.
Yeah, this.
Gati artha.
Yeah, this
Gati
is
artha.
shad. But this is sad is different. To sit siddhati. Dvish means to hate. Dra means to bear malice, to be hostile. Dah means to milk. Yuj, yunjati, to joint, to concentrate. Vid, to know. Vetti,
No.
bid, to divide.
Divide.
Chid, to cut. Ji, jayati, to conquer. Ni, nayati, to lead. Raj, to shine. Rajate. So with this quip is added. So first there is a shuchishat. The meaning is shuchau sidati iti shuchishat. So one who sit in the purity is called shuchisat. So I would like to show one thing. You have studied Kathopanishad? No, not in Kathopanishad here. This is,
Vidyate Hridaya Grantihi, that one.
no. This is Hamsa Shuchisat Vasuhu. This is Hamsaha Shuchisat. Then Vasu Antarikshat Hota Veshat
Yeah.
Ithi Durona.
Rajat Durona Sat. Yeah,
Everything
Drishad Varasat.
using this Upapada Tat Purush. Then Drushat Varasat. Then Vyomni Sat. Everything is this only. And this is the meaning is given. So here only they have used Shuchishat. But this everything Shankaracharya is split, whole Tat Purusha in Kathopanishad. So Shuchisat Shuchau Divyadi Atmana Siddhati iti. Then Vasu Vasayati Sarvan. So Vayu Atmana Antarikshe Siddhati. Everything he is given. So Atithi Durone Kaleshe Siddhati. So everything is given. So this is called Tatpurusha, Upapada Tatpurusha. So here he is given only Shuchishat. Shuchau Siddhati, one who sit in purity. So that's why I have put this. But this is, I have put every with Bhashyam. Then Parishad. Pari Shidati. Same Shad Shidati. Assembly, no? They sit round. Parishad. Gol Meji Parishad. Round. Andasu. So Andam Suyate. One who gives egg. Suyate. Mitra Dvit. Mitram Dveshti. it is Upapada. Goduk, Gamam, Dogdhi, one who milks cow, milkman. Krishna is called Goduk. Dharmavit, this everything is not we known to us. Dharmam Vetti, Brahmavit, Atmavit, everything is Upapada. Vedavit, Vedam Vetti. Rajuchid, Rajum Chinatti, one who cuts a rope. Indrajit, Indram Jayati. Same way Senani, this very common. Senani, Senam Nayati, one who leads the army. Senani also Senani. This is Ni plus Kvip Pratyaya. So they give the meaning of Ni means to lead.
Senapati will be Senayahapati, no?
Senayahapati. It is 60p. But Senani.
Senanihi.
This is Senani. Dirgha. Same Ni is the Dirgha. Become Nayati. Now, note 3. Again, Kvip is added also to root Han, means to kill. The kill with the sense of pastime when the following words in the accusative case are in the compositions. There are Brahman, means Brahmana. Here Brahman is not Satyam Granam, but Brahman is Brahmana. Here Brun is there. Brun means fetus. This Brun. A fetus. And Vrutra means Vrutra. It is said by Brahma Brun Vrutreshu Kip. This is Panini Sutra. So Brahmaha. So Brahma Ahan. Ahan is past tense. Ahan. So meaning is Brahma Hatavaniti. Like it is a past tense. Ahan. Here Brun. Again. Brunam Ahan iti. So Brunam Hatavan, one who has killed the fetus, all gynecologists. Bruna Hatya. Yeah. Then Vrutraha. Vrutra means Vrutrasur. That Vrutram Ahan iti Vrutram Hatavan is called one who killed Vrutra, that Rakshasa. Again, note 4, equip is also added to root crew, the means to make or do, with the sense of again past time when the following words in the accusatives are in the composition. They are Su, Karma, Papa, Mantra, and Punya. This is Panini Sutra, again they have given. This is also very famous to us. Sukrut. Sushtu Akarot. This is always unconnected with past tense. No, that's why Akarot. The meaning is Sushtu Krutavan, one who has done well. Karmakrut. Karma Akarot. Karma Krutavaniti, one who has done action. Papakrut, Papam Akarot, Papam Krutavan. Mantrakrut, all rishis, Mantrakrut. Mantram Akarot, it is not Mantrakrut, Mantra Drashta. It is not Karoti actually. Mantra Drashta, so Mantram Akarot, one who is they have given is a recited. Bhashyakrut, Bhashyam Akarot, Shastrakrut, Shastram Akarot, Lokakshayakrut, Bhagwan has said, no? I am born for Lokakshaya. So lokakshayam akarot, lokakshayam, it is not lokakshayam. Swamiji has made
Kshayam.
yeah, kshayam is there. So lokakshayam krutavan, lokakshayam. So now quip again we will see, but it is very familiar to us.
Can we say samyak kritam will come or sanskritam? Sanskritam.
Yeah, yeah, sanskritam samyak kritam.
Sanskritam.
From there, yes. Samskrita.
Krita. That's all.
Yeah, samskrita, no, actually is where this
Samyak krita.
when this some we can say some kruta is there, but where this sa will go, sanskrita is there, not samkrita. So I will really check and I will let you know. Really, etymology is the etymology. Actually, we are translated samyak kruta, but when we write, no, so actually
Sam plus
Sanskrita, no, Sanskrita. So this is some, is what you are telling is some, properly.
Some.
Yeah, kruta is done, but there is a one sa is there. Middle.
Yeah.
So what is the etymology of that sa? I will check and then I will share with you in our group.
Thank you.
Any question? Regarding this? No?
Well, I need to revise Sopapada Tatpurusha. I did not understand it that well. I need to go through, and maybe if I've got some questions, I'll ask you in the next
You can
class.
post in Samasa, our group. So everybody will be benefited, no? Yeah.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Swaminiji, can you also next time explain for me what the quip is? Like it's added and then it disappears. Can you explain?
We'll go through a little bit Krudanta, then it will be easy. So Krudanta, it is come under Krudanta portion. So I will show that portion. I will show.
Yeah.
It is again totally different topic, but I will take that. Okay.
I'm reminded of Puji Swamiji's thing he used to say for everything, you know. If you want to say batter, then batting plus ER. ER is quip, he would say. Whereas in cook is also a verb. You add ER, it comes, makes it a noun and then goes away. If you don't say cooker, one who cooks is not a cooker, but cook plus ER is quip, used to say. So ER comes, makes the verb cook, which is a verb, into a noun and goes away without adding any word. So quip is like that.
Yeah, that's what I was like. Yeah, it's like in mathematics you say adding zero.
Zero.
You add a term and you subtract the term, and that allows you to manipulate the expression.
Yeah.
So it'll be, if you can give some examples, Swaminiji, that would
Yeah, I will see, definitely. I will show you this quip. How can you
Thank
use quip? Yeah.
Because that quip sounds like an English word, quip, to quip.
This, you know, Panini's each and every suffix are like English only. Rule, quip. Yeah. All are different. Yeah. Okay. Om
Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnamavasishyate.
Shanti.
Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
This